In this module, we will describe Fitter Snacker company case and sales processes the company is using. So probably you have gone through this case in a reading material. तो अब हम इस केस के बारे में बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन जानते हैं ताकि हमें इस केस के बारे में इन डिटेल अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो. सबसे पहले फिटर स्नैकर के कंपनी is a fictitious company. It is an imaginary company that makes healthy snacks bar. So they are in the business of making snacks bar which are healthy. Marketing and sales is the focal point of many fitters snacker activities. So their whole focus is on marketing and sales. उसके साथ साथ they manufactures and sells two type of nutritious snacks bar. तो यहाँ पे दो चीजों की बात हुई है. First is manufacturing of those snack bars and second is selling. They have not probably hired a different company for manufacture. तो they were manufacturing and they were selling. वो कौन कौन सी two snack bar? First is NRG-A, which they call it advanced energy snack bar, and second is NRG-B, which is bodybuilding proteins. इसको आप इस तरीके से समझ लें कि they have two product lines. First is NRG-A, second is NRG-B. अब इन सारे operations को how they have organized? They have organized it sales force into two groups known as divisions, and they're calling it the first division as wholesale division and second is direct sales division. By the name itself, the wholesale division mean the division who is responsible of managing the task in this division will be selling the snack bars in wholesales, and second division handles all the activities relating to direct sales, which mean individual sellers. The two sales divisions differ in terms of quantities of order, क्योंकि wholesale के अंदर generally order ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है, and there are chances कि you will be selling to actual big companies. And pricing terms, because if you are buying in a wholesale, तो there might be discounts which company will have. तो जो pricing structure होगा related to that product वो हो सकता है change हो, discounted हो, क्योंकि wholesale के अंदर in terms of lot आप sell करते हैं to different companies. लेकिन when you are selling it to direct customers, तो there might be a possibility कि discount rate कम हो. They sell snack bars under the Fitter Snacker brand name. दोनों divisions, either wholesale or direct sale, they are selling under the same brand name. लेकिन price change होगी और quantity which they are selling it to the customer वो भी change होगी depending on which division you are operating in. And they packages the bar in store brand wrappers from some chain store. So they were packing their two product line in wrappers from their chain stores. उसके साथ साथ Fitters Snacker Company, the marketing and sale information system are not well integrated with company other information system. One of the reason is क्योंकि दोनों division separately different तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं. तो information system which is in wholesale division might not be the same in the direct sales division. तो जब दो different तरह के practices होंगी, जब दो different तरह के information system use हो रहे होंगे, तो information share नहीं होगी, and there might be possibility कि communication gap हो. When the communication gap will increase, तो customer frustrate होगा और यूजर को अप टू डेट और रियल डेटा के बारे में नहीं पता लगेगा. At the same time, company wide use of transaction data is an inefficient. In this case, the reason for this is because both the division uses different type of information system. So the data which resides in those division is not shared. When it is not shared, it means the employees who are working in the same company, क्योंकि याद रहे, they are in the business of manufacturing and selling those healthy snacks bar. तो जब information के प्लान हो रही है, कितनी मैन्युफैक्चर हो गई है, कितने स्नैक बार्स हमारे इन्वेंट्री में पड़े हैं और कितने हमने कस्टमर्स को भेज दिए हैं, when there is no track of what is going on in wholesale division and what is going on in direct sales division, तो गैप बढ़ेगा और एक्चुअल रियल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं पता होगी दोनों डिवीजन को, एंड एट द सेम टाइम डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट्स के अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर नहीं होगी.